Hey everyone, are we ready to take our Pinterest account to the next level? Today, we will show how to claim a website on Pinterest. Claiming a website helps protect our brand and gives us access to useful analytics about how our content is doing. Let's get started. Claiming a site on Pinterest is a business feature that confirms we own our website. It adds our profile picture to any pin from our domain and lets us see website analytics. This unlocks rich pins, improves post credibility, and needs us to add HTML tags or DNS records to our site's backend. The goal of claiming a website on Pinterest is to verify that our content and brand belong to us. After our site is claimed, our profile picture will show on all pins from our site, and we can use Pinterest Analytics to see which pins bring in traffic. This helps us learn more about our audience and show our presence on Pinterest more clearly. First, we open our browser and go to Pinterest.com. Once we're on Pinterest.com, we go to Settings. Go to Settings. We can find settings in the lower left part of the page, under Settings and Support. Click this one. Next, go to Settings. When we get to this page, we look for Link to Pinterest. Click Link to Pinterest, and we will see options to claim Instagram and claim website. Since we want to claim the website, we click Claim Website. Just click. A pop-up will appear. We attach HTML or add text records as Pinterest tells us. Let's go to our profile and copy the link. Paste the link here. Click Copy and then Continue. After we continue, we verify our website again by pasting our profile link. The process will pop up, and sometimes we will be in verification progress. When it's finished, Pinterest will let us know that our account has claimed the website. Once done, click Done and get started. When our website is claimed, we have more control over our content on Pinterest and better insights to help our brand grow.